Join me, guys. Let's make one of my favorite food to eat. Yam is one of those food that I can accept from you at any time, any day, any minute of the day. Yes, but growing up as a child, I hate to eat yam. But as an adult, yam is one of those food that I love and I love and I love to eat. Bring yam to me, whether it's porridge yam, white yam with palm oil, roasted yam, anyhow, anything you make that has yam in it, just give it to me. Even when I'm on diet, I'll gladly accept it from you and I'll eat it. Yes. What is that food that you hate to eat as a child, but as an adult, you love to eat? For me, yam is one of those. I love to eat yam. So today I'm making yam porridge, and I've gone ahead to. I'll be using some chicken to make this. I've gone ahead to cut the chickens the way I want them to be, to the sizes that I want them. Then I've just seasoned with my seasoning, which is edible seasoning. Then I set that aside and I'll go ahead to cut this yam to the small sizes as I want them to be. You can leave them, just cut your yam the way you want it to be. But for me, I like to cut them into small sizes. So I'll be adding some plantain as well to this yam because I just need the texture or the taste of that plantain in it. You can as well add some sweet potato if you have, because that will make a little bit different to your yam porridge. So once I've gone ahead to cut the yams and the plantain, I wash then set them aside. And here is the chicken. I've just added some onion, then I covered it to cook for 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Then I'll go ahead to add the yams and the plantain, and I'm adding some onions and some pepper. I added my crayfish, and I'll go ahead to add some seasoning, salt. At this point, just season your yam, add oil, whatever you want to add to this to your yam. Once I've added that, I will add some palm oil. I'm using palm oil. You can as well use pepper if you like, but this is a quick recipe for me. I'm just making lunch for my family, and this is the quickest one I can make. So once I've added the palm oil, I will go ahead to add some water, and then I will cover this to cook till it's soft enough. At this point, the yam is properly cooked, and I had to add some frozen scent leaves. If you don't have scent leaves, a good alternative to scent leaves is basil leaf. Basil leaves works well for me whenever I don't have scent leaves. So I'll go ahead to take out the chickens because I will be mashing the yam a little bit, and I don't want the chickens to break into pieces. So I will take out the chickens, and then I'll go ahead to mash the yams. You can skip this part, but I love to do this, and it also makes my kids to love to eat the yam well. So Once I've taken out the chickens, I'll go ahead to mash the yams a bit, but I will still leave some chunks of yams in it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. Tell me what's wrong and why you never stayed. You feel better. Try to stay strong and fake the silence
So once I finish mashing the yams, I will reintroduce back the chickens that I took out from the pot. Then I'll cover to for like a minute or two, and here is the end result. And yeah, it's so easy to make, so simple to make as well. And here is it. Thank you for watching. If you have watched to this very moment, thank you. I appreciate your stay here. Do well to subscribe and to be part of the family. Here is the moment of the truth, and let's test our yam porridge. Oh, this tasted so good. It tasted so good, to be honest. And yeah, thank you once again for watching. If you have watched to this very moment, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.